Keller Williams Southwest. This is Adam Bunner, your Technology Ambassador. A few things that we want to discuss with you is the new structure for our training. So we are going to have technology/command workshops 3 times a week. The first one is going to be on Tuesday night from 5:30 to 7. The second one is going to be on Thursday morning from 10 to 11:30. And the last one is Friday from noon to 1:30. So these are not going to be in-depth trainings. These are going to be workshops that we're going to focus on different disciplines. The first discipline that we're going to focus on is contacts. We're starting with the database, we're starting with the basics. Everything from there is going to be built on top of our contacts. So the next sessions we'll talk about your neighborhood profiles, we'll talk about smart plans, we'll talk about smart views, and we'll also talk about opportunities/your pipeline report. So please show up to one of those 3. We're offering 3 a week, so you really can't miss it. We're going to be putting out a lot of content on KW Connect. All of you should have received an invite from KW Connect for our Market Center 270 Connect group. So please accept that invitation so you can get the content that we're putting out for you all. So we hope to see you starting next week, Tuesday, Thursday, or Friday. See you there.